Hello guys, this is a dictionary related problem in UiPath. This might help you guys to improve your knowledge about dictionary, specifically in UiPath. In this problem, we are given with a dictionary that contains different years as keys and winner name as values. So there are different years and winner name for the different respective year. Winner may win the championship many times, so we have to calculate for the given number of years how many times a respective individual won the championship. So this is a problem statement. Given an input dictionary containing a year and a name, please calculate the number of victories of each winner and print all the names of the winners with the number of corresponding victories. So this is a way how we would initialize our dictionary. So dictionary would be of integer and string type, and it would contain the following values. This is a winner's dictionary. We have different keys and values, and so in a common approach, we would compare a particular value to a different values in the winner's dictionary, and if a particular value matches to another value, we would increase the count by one and use that count as the number of times a particular individual won the championship. So we would also use another dictionary in which we would use values for the first dictionary as keys. So this is the code that I have written in a very simple language that is not a standard way. Just I have just written it to make you guys understand how it would be solved. So winners keys. This is a integer array. I have stored keys of winners dictionary into it, and after it I I am using a loop for each value in winners.value. I have assigned the value of first dictionary to a temporary variable and check that particular value exists as keys into new dictionary. If it exists, then we would do nothing. Otherwise, add the key into the new dictionary. After that, we would run the loop to check how many times individual wins. So for each key in winner keys, there is a first uh, thing that we have defined, the integer array. So for each key in the integer array, uh, we would use if condition. I have forgot to write it over here. So we would check whether uh, particular value of first dictionary uh, is equal to the temp individual. That will increase the count by one. Otherwise, we do nothing. So, uh, so in that loop, it would be checked for each key, and after that we would print the count for a particular person. After that, we would make the count to 0 so that it would be checked for another value in winners.value. So this is the common way how we would solve the problem. Now I would show you guys the UiPath code. So this is the code. So this is the integer array. Here I have assigned different keys into it. Now I'm running a loop in winners dictionaries. So for each value in winners.values, I have assigned a value to a temporary variable. Now I'm checking in the new dictionary that we have defined. that value exists as keys. If the value exists as keys, then we would do nothing. Otherwise, we would add it to the new dictionary, and in value we would use anything. I have just written one, so for each key the value would be assigned one. So the question might arise why you don't use array or list over here. So we want it to make it distinct, unique. That's why we use dictionary. So after that uh, we would check for each key in winner's keys, that is an integer array that we have defined at first. The particular temporary variable is equal to the value of first dictionary. Then we would increase the count by one. Otherwise, we would do nothing. And after that, we would print the count for individual. After that, we would make it a zero, count equals to zero. Now the execution point would be here, and the loop will in a continue mode. So now I would run the code. Now you can see for each individual the number of times he won the championship. Sure, this guy won the championship one time, this two times, this one time, and so on and so forth. So this is how you can solve the problem. Uh, if you have any questions or if you want to share anything, you can comment down in the comment section.